It's 8:45. I made it, and sure enough, there's cars here. With this, virus thing going on, there's way more people out doing things than ever before, which I guess is good. But like, you look at the places that you used to go for some peace and quiet, and wow, look at that. Now there's everybody out there having peace and quiet with you. Beautiful. That's amazing. Just a word about cold weather gear. These NRS titanium, I think they're called boundary boots, boundary shoes, are a must, well, at least for me. I just slid down to the water. It'd be funny if I let it go and it went all the way in. At the very least, it should be really, really fun to see. Alright, let me get my stuff ready. So we got a bluegill? Oh, crappy. Smoker. Did you see that? Did you see that jump? Going. I didn't think that was going to work. It's one of the... Come on, I just put it in the rod holder. There we go. Look at that guy. Wow, he's a good size. Wow, nice. I don't know how long I'm going to stick with the lizard on that. It's just not paying off like the minnow on this jig head. Oh, look at that right there. This might be a bass or a pickerel, maybe. Yeah, another crappie. Look at that guy. Don't worry, I'm letting you go. That amount of effort, dude, you really earned it. The snow falling. Mid-April snow fishing in Massachusetts. $11 crappie in an hour. I might have some weeds on them too. There we go. Is it a bass? Yep. Nice. I'm not gonna weigh you, but maybe get a little measurement. $13. Cool. Oh, I think I caught either a big branch or a fish. I think it's a branch. No, I think it's a fish. He's a nice crappie. That's, see, that's what you gotta do, bud. Get it, the whole. Look at this guy. You know, I can never really figure out if they're black crappie or if they're just changed their colors for so this is just the way when I start to see some bites. I use a light or an ultralight rod. I'll let the line out a little bit. Thinking that, you know, maybe the bait looks like it's dead or it's dying or it's got problems. And see if I can get any get them to swallow it or yeah, go for the bait. Sometimes you don't need to let line out, you just need to lower the rod. And that gives it enough. This guy's gonna go for it. There we go. Another crappie.